Creating a standout capstone project is your chance to shine and make a real impact. Imagine transforming your ideas into something that not only showcases your skills, but also addresses real-world challenges. Start by identifying your passion, what excites you. Dive deep into research, explore innovative solutions, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Collaborate with peers, seek feedback, and refine your vision. Remember, every great project begins with a single step. Embrace the journey, stay organized, and keep your goals in sight. This is your moment to inspire others and leave a lasting legacy. Let your creativity flow, and watch your project come to life. Welcome to Capstone Catalyst, your ultimate guide to creating standout capstone projects. Our channel is dedicated to helping students turn their project ideas into impactful results. Explore a wide range of project ideas, essential tools, and skills needed to succeed in your capstone journey, whether you're working on STEM, humanities, or business projects. We cover step-by-step tutorials, research tips, time management strategies, and expert insights to help you navigate every stage of your project. Subscribe to spark your creativity, build skills, and set your capstone project up for success.